Hi, it's the Honey Queen here, and today I'm going to talk about how to clean up a sticky mess. It's a helpful honey hint for you. And this one's for you, Tiffany, because you said Grandma had a bunch of honey. I think she had just passed away, and you had honey that was spilled in the closet to clean it up. And I'm going to tell you how to do that. I remember when I was a little girl, my dad was walking through our living room. We had this runner through there, and he tripped on it, and he was carrying a 4-gallon tub of honey. And it just started flowing everywhere. We're like, oh my goodness, how are we going to clean this up? But we did get it cleaned up. That's the secret. So there's some tools that you need to collect. First off, you need to get a scraper. That's your good friend. And get a bucket of really hot water, plus a washcloth of any kind. You're not going to cry over this spilt honey. So this happened just recently to me. I was getting some paint off this that had spilled from a shelf. Someone knocked it over. Of course, no one claims doing it. So it was upside down like that, but the lid wasn't on tight. So the problem was it got inside the box, which I really needed to use this box to resell the honey. And then not only did it get in the box, but then it dripped out of the hole right here and got all over my cooler, which I use all the time for soccer and that. So here's what we're going to do to get out of the sticky mess. The first thing you want to do is you want to scoop up everything that you possibly can. And I forgot a trash can. Hold on. So you want to put the honey, because you're not going to eat that. But you scrape as much as you can get off. So if you can see, it's gone now. And then I'm going to scrape the box. I need to use this box again. You're going to say, just throw the box away. But I really need these boxes. So you scrape as much as you can off. After you do that, your second step is to get your wash rag into your hot water. I mean, this thing was very hot. It's a little cold out today, so it's turned as hot as you can get it. And you just start wiping it up. Maybe my little videographer can zoom in and show you that now the honey is all cleaned up. Isn't that amazing? Now the other thing you can use is a steamer, and I do have a steamer. It just takes me more time to get that out and to set it up than just to actually just do this right here. So that's how you clean up a sticky mess. And if you have any comments or you have a question that you want me to solve or come up with the answer on dealing with honey, you can email me, comment below, or call me with your question. Find me on Twitter, Facebook page, Facebook group. Subscribe to my channel. You can comment there below. Pinterest, I'm on there. I think you can comment on there. And Instagram, of course. So have a sweet day. And now it's all cleaned up in the box. Yay! I probably should make sure I got the outside. Have a sweet day.